Greetings and welcome back to another episode of the Lily Lectures. I am your guide, William Lilly, and today we're going to explore a fascinating technique that can help you decipher the true intentions of those who offer you advice, whether it's for good or bad purposes. Now, astrology isn't just about predicting your future, it's a powerful tool for understanding the people and situations around you. So let's get started on this intriguing topic. Have you ever had a neighbor, kinsman, or friend who came to you with advice, and you wondered if their intentions were pure? Well, with Horary Astrology, we can shed light on this. We can determine their true intentions by running a chart for the moment when they begin to express their thoughts. Let's break it down step by step. First, we need to cast a chart for that specific moment. Querent, as always, will be signified by the ascendant, but the focus for the intent is on the 10th house, which is associated with reputation, public image, and authority. It's a house that can reveal a lot about a person's intentions when they come to advise you. Now pay close attention to the planets in the 10th house. If you see a fortunate planet such as the Sun, Jupiter, or Venus, or else the North Node, or the Moon applying to the Lord of the Ascendant, it suggests that the individual is coming with honest intentions. They genuinely want to help, and the advice they give is intended for your good. On the other hand, if an unfortunate planet like Saturn, Mars, or the South Node is present in the 10th house, it's a telltale sign of deceitful intentions. These individuals might not have your best interests at heart, and they could be liars or manipulators. According to the wisdom of Halley, there's an additional layer to consider. If the sign ascending is an immovable cardinal sign, it's a potential indicator that the person may be treacherous and come with deceitful motives to trap you. And there you have it, my fellow stargazers. The next time someone offers you advice, be it a neighbor, a kinsman, or a friend, you can turn to astrology to gain deeper insights into their true intentions. It's a valuable tool that allows you to navigate life's complexities with wisdom and foresight. As always, I encourage you to experiment and explore these astrological techniques further. If you find them useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lecture with your fellow astrology enthusiasts. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future episodes, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey today. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your charts at the ready. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.